A day in my life as a core user. English edition. So, dito guys, we're gonna kill Mia but I didn't kill her because my damage is not enough but you are enough. Excuse me here for my voice because I don't know what to do without you. So, what I did here was just kill the turtle and then KS Novaria. So, while playing this, I'm getting bored. Like, it's so easy to be a core user. Here, I'm just killing the farm and then I don't know why the farm starts cabling. Hey, I just want to play car like Suyu. Dang, it's so easy. They can't even kill me.
Bayan, ang basic naman.
Hi guys! Since may collab nga ang Naruto at MLBB, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung mga pwede nyong makuha. So, for this one, kapag nag-draw kayo, ang makukuha nyo ay si Naruto, Sasuke, Kakashi, Sakura, at iba pang mga limited skins. Dito rin ninyo makukuha yung mga recall effect, elimination effect, tapos mga exclusive quick chat nila Naruto, Sasuke, Sakura, and marami pang ibang items like kunai, headband, fragments, at iba pa. For this one naman, napakaangas. Dito nyo makukuha yung sacred statue. Tapos yung mga different loading effects. Ang meron neto ay si Naruto and si Sasuke. Ito rin yung other items na pwede nyong makuha. Next naman ay itong si Gaara. Ito yung pinaka nakaka-enjoy gawin. Kasi libre nyo lang din siya makukuha. So, bali ang gagawin nyo lang dito, gagawa lang kayo ng mga task like magla-login, tapos mag-complete ng matches. Andito rin para yung mga actions niya, Sacred Statue, na sobrang gaganda. Ito naman yung ultimate challenge para kay Gaara din. Like, i-defeat nyo lang si Madara. Tapos, this one yung specialized training. Meron dito tatlo. Una yung Genjutsu training. For this one, ipa-find mo lang yung differences. Like, ting, ting, ting. Diba ang cool? Ito namang ninjutsu, medyo nakakalito siya. Pero pipindutin mo lang yung image. Nakaparehas ng nasa left. Tapos yung last, yung taijutsu training. Bale, ito-throw nyo lang yung shurikens dito sa mga moving targets. And by doing this, pwede nyo ma-unlock yung mga exclusive rewards. Pwede nyo din pala i-type sa redemption code ang MLBBX Naruto and makiklaim nyo rin tong mga to. Ayun lang, enjoy!